Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to fix the ChatGPT is at capacity right now message on ChatGPT. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So if you're seeing ChatGPT is at full capacity right now, it should be on the top left. Of course, it's just a big blank white screen. All you would need to do is click refresh or Control R. Now, it may take a couple of times. It can even take up to 15 attempts to do this. It's just more the fact that there's multiple people using ChatGPT at the minute, hence why it's giving this sort of error message. But once you have gone ahead and refreshed it, it should load you into ChatGPT itself. Now, your other options are to use a VPN, you could use a private window or go incognito, you could clear your browser's cache, or you could just check the server status of ChatGPT itself, or another wise option is to just wait for some time and maybe try again later on. But guys, there you have it. That's how to fix the ChatGPT is at capacity right now. Hopefully the video has helped. If it did, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.